Wanna go at the park? Wanna go at the park? Wanna go at the park? Whoa!
Good morning! Let's take a shot. Okay. The kids are eating pasta with... What are you eating, Juju? Hot dogs! I'm gonna have a... Uh-oh. Are you okay? Don't eat it if you don't like it. Just eat your hot dogs. I'm gonna have a vitamin D with zinc shot from Walmart.
It's really spicy. It can burn your neck.
Yeah, it does burn. Speaking of that, I need a chaser.
Need to go potty. I need to go potty.
Then go potty. Okay.
No, I'm talking like a flamingo needs to go potty.
Oh.
I need to go potty. I
Ready?
need to go potty.
I should just kneel down for this.
Let me have a sip of this.
Okay. Bella, your hair is immaculate.
Funny.
It's funny. Okay, cheers.
Drink. Drink it.
Anyway, babies are having breakfast. Today is a cleaning day. So, if you can't tell, house is a mess. We just did the lunch, so it's kind of messier.
Funny.
So I'm gonna go ahead and eat breakfast, and the kids are eating lunch, and then we're gonna go ahead and clean. Are you ready to clean? You want some water? And soda. There you go. Yay, let's go. Are you gonna drink that soda? First task, go through my laundry. I haven't even unpacked this since we moved in. Is this like blurry? Yeah, I haven't even unpacked any of that since we've moved in. I think I've gotten through a little bit. That's to go, that's to stay, and this has not gone through yet. Look how cute your bow is. Look at your little bow. So cute. Oh, you're just covered in ketchup. Good job. Do you want to eat your rest of your food? Yeah. Eat your food. Salad. You don't want any? You
No.
want some?
Pick me if I want salad. I don't want salad.
Why not? You love salad.
I
Bella, do you
don't
want salad?
like salad, but
Bella?
I like the salad at the Olive Garden much. It's really yummy when I eat the Olive Garden.
Okay.
I love Olive Garden.
Lunchtime with my messy house. You know, by the end of this vlog, this house is going to be chef's kiss immaculate. It wasn't. Super wasn't. You tried though. I turned on some Jackie. We are gonna sit down and go through the clothes first. You so happy to be awake?
It's like, hello.
Okay, so baby Stella is awake, so mommy has to feed her. Is she so happy to see sister?
So cute.
Somebody's in such a good mood today. He's just sleeping in a happy mood. So I'm gonna feed her, and Juju, what are you gonna do? Unload the dishwasher. Hi. Who are you? How you doing? Yeah.
I was like, I want to go to the park. Oh, sorry.
Bonk.
Bonk.
Hey.
I was like, it's okay, sissy.
No. It's okay. It's okay. I know. I have the baby, so I can't really like bend over to get it, but this was the main thing that I wanted to get done, was that clothing situation and the counter. And I'm still getting the laundry done, but it's time to make dinner. So I'm gonna make us dinner and be back. We're having a fun time, huh? You looking at stuff? Whoa! The world is amazing. The world is amazing.